Here at Southend Tree Surgeons, we offer some of the best prices without compromising on quality or service. We are Southend-on-Sea's #1 tree surgeons. We offer a variety of services, including tree felling, tree pruning, crown thinning, crown reduction, crown shaping, crown lifting, hedge and shrub trimming. We also offer tree felling, tree removals, stumps removed, roots removed from your trunks. We deal with storm damaged trees. We do fencing. We do pruning of any sort that you need, any emergency tree work, any hedge removal, or removal of ivy, or removal of Japanese knotweed. We do also do grounds maintenance, and we also do garden waste clearance. You'll find our professional team of usually 3 guys will come to your house, and not only do we like to do a good job, we like to leave as we found your property in a clean and tidy state. So we'll take everything away with us if you wish. We also provide very reasonable prices for our work. We'll always inform you of the prices before we start, and if there happens to be any unforeseen extras, we will let you know in advance. We will not do the work without your say so. All our work is done by professional and fully insured tree surgeons. We like to do our work not just to a high standard, but to a standard that makes you pleased with our work. So we always appreciate feedback from our customers to help us improve the service that we provide for you. The business has been going for some years now. We're based in Southend in Essex, and also you will find that our team is very polite, very punctual, very friendly, and very respectful of your needs. We realise that our services are something that's very much needed at the moment, and we realise that also price is a very conscious decision in your buying process. Please assure us that we try and do the work at the best possible price for you without compromising on quality. All our tree engineers have many years of experience. This work is not straightforward. It's not something that anybody can do. It can be quite dangerous. So we make sure we have all the relevant safety equipment to make sure the job is done safely. And we try and do it as quickly as we can. So that we can obviously help you as and when you need us. It would help us when it comes to giving you a quote over the phone, that if you could email us over or send us a message over phone of some pictures of your garden or area that needs attention, so we can give you a more accurate quote. Otherwise, of course, the most accurate quote we can give is when we actually visit your property and you show us the required work that needs to be done. So if you'd like a quote today, then please contact us on 07895 726 225. That number again is 07895 726 225. Thank you.